Parents, be there for your kids. Previously, Hero Honda used to come up with an advertisement. Fill it, shut it, forget it. Right? You shouldn't say, I came and admitted, I'm done, I'm forgetting it. No. Ask them what your CAT marks is. Why is your attendance low? Each proctor they mentioned have 25 kids. How many of you have 25 kids? You don't have 25 kids, right? So you need to focus. Don't ignore them. Even when they come to final year, ask them what is your CAT mark? What is your attendance? Right? These are all indicators. So be there for your kids. That's the first tip. The second tip is a very logistic issue. Do not spoil them with giving a lot of money. I know the kids are going to hate me for saying this, but no, I don't care. I'm caring about your welfare only. So give limited amount of money, stay focused and be there for your kids.